first thing is I'm putting seals in this lower sector shaft. So I pulled this C-clamp or C-clip out by the seal here, and so this seal is like this. It's like a chunk of metal with rubber on it. It's basically a dust seal is what this thing is. So basically what I'm going to have to do is I've got to put that in there, but I got to drill it out first. So here's my little 36 volt drill, which is 20 volt. Alright, let me look at some other option here. Alright, got a bad dog bully bit. Let's see if it'll work. Alright, I went through it. Try to get that doggone seal in there. Hard for you to see, but right there. That's a dust seal that's made out of steel. And then there's a seal on top of it. So there's two seals, and then you've got to drill one of them. Can't tell if we got a hole all the way through it or not. It's got a hole in it. I can spin it around, but boy, she don't want to come out of there, that's for sure. I really dig around that thing too. I really clean all that area where that snap ring goes in there. Otherwise, it'll act like a clamp and it'll put interference in there and you'll never get it out. that's what that thing is. It's basically a solid piece of steel, but it's got that dust cap deal on it. So then the seal, let's see how that turns out. It's basically the same thing. I don't think the seal's turned, so I think I'm going to have to go in there the same direction I was before. Right. Oh, there we go. Finally. Yeah, see, so that's just a regular old seal. I had to drill the heck out of it though. Look, we've got like 4 holes in the thing just to stick a screw in there and pull it out. I didn't get off center, which is good, because usually if you get off center and you get in the seal surface here, you end up nicking the shaft here, that won't seal. So take your screwdriver, jam that up in there a little bit. Let's see what that does. I'll clean that out. Clean that E-clip or circlip bore out as well. Alright. So, what you got here is just a regular exhaust pipe connector. Bought a whole bunch of that stuff at a farm sale, various different sizes. And the reason why is because, as you can see, that makes a pretty good seal driver. I just put that up in there and be real nice and easy with it. Nope, got that in there. Our new dust seal, I'm going to be rubbered down on that one. That one's the same way, it's just going to go in there, tap it into place. Got a new circlip. We'll put that in there as well. See how that looks up in there? Kind of hard to get a real good focus on it, but that's basically all there is to it. Now, originally, there was another company that made one that had a dust seal that went up in there a little further, and you just pulled the dust seal out and it exposed the circlip. I haven't seen those for quite some time, but these are, like I say, they're a little tough. However, you don't have to pull the whole gearbox out if you do this method, so it might save some time, it might not, but in order to drill that I had to use my Bad Dog bit. This is a Bad Dog bit here. I don't know exactly how to describe it. It almost reminds me of a concrete drill. And the funny thing about it is these things are always bent when you get them. I don't know what it is they do to them, but they're usually bent. And I can drill through pretty hardened steel with this if I'm careful. I think you know how to put everything else back together. There's your pitman arm right there. And I didn't show you the pitman arm tool that I used. I think that's a snap-on. I'll clean all this up real good and get some grease in that pitman arm. But we'll get this all back together, put some more power steering fluid in it, and I think we'll be in good shape. And there's another thumbs up for you. Thank you for watching.